Bellwether is the expert team for siding and window replacement in Golden, Colorado. Since 2017, we have been helping Golden homeowners protect their homes with new siding and windows, while also helping them achieve their design goals. Golden is rapidly changing, catering to Denver's growth and student life at School of Mines, while also preserving the Old West heritage and emphasis on local businesses and events that make it such a special community. Our design teams have helped many Golden residents craft home exteriors that incorporate new modern technology and design with rustic, mountain-inspired accents to make each home as unique as Golden itself. A nod to Golden's cowboy roots, many homes in the area are finished with wood siding, which can be a dangerous siding material for a foothills town in an arid climate. Golden homes are susceptible to a wide spectrum of weather elements, including Denver's high heat and the mountain's heavy snowfall. Add in baking sun across plateaus and high winds, there's a lot for Golden homeowners to consider when it comes to exterior protection. Because we understand local aesthetics and the environmental needs of homes in Golden, we recommend James Hardie fiber cement siding to all of our Golden customers. It's the best siding product on the market for a Colorado foothills climate, designed to last a lifetime, holding up in any weather without warping, softening, peeling, or cracking. James Hardie fiber cement siding is as versatile as it is resilient. With fiber cement siding from James Hardie, it's easy to achieve those perfect ranch-style design elements because it's crafted to mimic the grain of wood. Golden homeowners can opt for fiber cement siding in wood tone, which finishes beautifully, presenting like wood grain in one of multiple color or stain options. Style is important, but it is not the forefront goal when we recommend James Hardie fiber cement siding. Golden homeowners are at severe risk during wildfire season, with dry grasses on plateaus and heavy forests nearby. James Hardie fiber cement siding is the first step, and its grade A fire rating immediately shields the home exterior from spark and flame. We also are experts in window installation and offer double and triple paned windows which add fire protection. Golden is a long-established community in Colorado, and with the best wildfire hardening, our James Hardie customers will be part of that history for a lifetime. We are your neighbors, and we love the community in Golden, so we are committed not to business, but to your goals for protection and design. Our respectful and professional team members are with you every step of the way. After an initial assessment, we provide our Golden customers with a full proposal that includes the evaluation, recommendations, and how you can accomplish your design goals with siding products and windows aesthetically and functionally suited for your Golden home. When you sign a contract, we schedule immediately, navigating any permits and materials ordering so that you can relax and dream about your new home siding. Siding replacement isn't just about repairing damaged siding, and other siding contractors who don't understand the needs of Golden homes might not make recommendations based on local trends, needs, and climate. At Bellwether, we want to help create your dream Golden home, and this includes protection and beauty. It's important for Golden area residents to choose quality siding products that will stand up to the fickle foothills weather and achieve unique Colorado-inspired design goals. We have a long list of satisfied customers in the Golden and foothills areas and can attest to our knowledge of the Golden community and how location impacts your home siding needs. When you work with Bellwether to renovate your home exterior in Golden, you're choosing an expert team of locals who are committed to work with you to build the home of your dreams that will last a lifetime.